In this lecture, you're going to learn how to use PowToon to create animation in education. First, go to PowerPoint lecture in Canvas and copy the URL of PowToon in the browser. Once you're in the PowToon browser, click on Sign Up. In the Sign Up dialog box, fill in last name, first name, email, password. In the job title, select Education Student. Click Sign Me Up. Once you're signed in, click on the Workplace. Click Blank PowToon. Select Cartoon. Now you are in PowToon work environment. On the left is the slide panel. Middle is the canvas. Below that is the timeline. On the right is the tool panels. First, let's name it. Click on the top and title. We name it Electric Circuit. Let's add a background first. Go to the toolbox, click on the background, and go down, select Abstract Background. Drag the first one onto the canvas. Go to the timeline and move the arrow to the very beginning. Select Character. We're going to add a character. Click Office 3. Select the first character and put it here. Next, click on the text. We're going to add subtitle. Type course name, grade, instructor. Move the box to the lower part of the screen. Go to the timeline and drag the arrow to 1.5 seconds. Click Add Title. Type How to Assemble Electric Circuit. Click the color panel, select white. Click the setting, select Effect. Select Right under the text effect. Close the dialog box. Let's take a look at what we have. Okay. By default, the slide has 10 seconds. Since this is the introduction page, we're going to reduce the time. Go to the end of timeline. You will see a plus and a minus sign. Click on the minus sign to reduce the time. We set it to 7 seconds. Go to the left. In the slide panel, click on Blank Slide. Select Background. Scroll down. Select Color Background. Select green and drag to the canvas. Click Text. Click Add Title. Type Steps to assemble move it to the top. Go to timeline and drag the first tab to the 0.5 second. Click the arrow in the timeline, then click Add Subtitle. Type 1 Install Battery. Click Effects, click Appear, close dialog box. Move under the title. Click Add Subtitle again and type 2 add wire 1. click on Effects, click Appear, close the box, move it under 1, click Subtitle, type 3, add Okay, we have add 4 steps. Each has its corresponding tab in the timeline. Let's space them out. Go to the timeline, look at the tabs. Move 4 to 8 half, 3 to 7, 2 to 5.5, 1 to 4. Then click on the title. Let's add some animation. Click on Settings, click on Effects. Let's click on Right and close. Let's take a look. Go to the slide panel and click the transition between the two slides. Click on the transition option, select Fade. Click a new slide, go to the background in the toolbox, scroll down, select a different color. We're going to add some images. You should be able to download the images from Canvas to your computer already. Click My Image, click Load Image, click Upload, click Battery, hold your Shift key, and select all the images. Click Open. You should see the images in your My Image folder. Let's go to Timeline. Slide the arrow to the very beginning. Click on the character. Click the Office Free. Drag the image to the canvas. Click on the text. Go to Text Elements and drag this bubble text here. Type "Let's put it together." Highlight the text. Make it 25. Click off. Resize the dialog box and adjust the text. Go to Timeline. Move the arrow to 1.5. Click Add Subtitle. Type 1. Install battery. Click Settings. Click Effects. Click Appear. Close dialog box. Go to Toolbox, click Images. Drag battery to the canvas. Resize the battery. Click Settings. Click Effects. Select under the slide, select Left. Click Add Hand. Select Hand 1. Close dialog box. Drag the arrow to 3.5 second. Click on Text, click Subtitle, type 2, add Y1. Move the text under 1, click on Setting, click Effects, select Appear, close dialog box. Go to the toolbox, click Image again, select Y1 and drag to the canvas. Move Y1 to the plus end of the battery. Click Setting, click Effects, click Down, click Add Hand, click Hand 1. Close box. Go to Timeline, move the arrow to 5.5. Click on the text, click Subtitle, type 3, add while 2. Move it under the 2, click Setting, click Effects, click Appear, close the box. Go to Toolbox, click on Image, drag while 2 to the canvas. Resize the while 2 and place it close to the minus sign of the battery. Go to Timeline, move the arrow to 7.5. Click Text, click Add Subtext, type 4, install bulb. Place it under 3. Click Setting, click Effects, click Appear, close. Go to Toolbox, click on Images, drag the bulb to the canvas. Click Settings, click Effects, click Left, click Add Hand, select Hand 1, close box. Now we need to connect blue and the red wire to the bulb. Click on the blue wire and stretch it to the bulb. Click on the red wire, stretch to the bulb. Click up, move the bulb up. If you look at the battery, the wire is above the battery. What we're going to do next is click on the blue wire and right click, select Send to Back. Click on red wire, right click, select Send to Back. Next, let's go to the slide and click the transition, select Fade. Let's click on the Play slide to preview.